Hi all. So we are going to discuss about Python installation. Before installing Python, go to command prompt. Check the Python is already there in our system. Python hyphen version. Check. There is no Python is installed in my machine. Okay. Cool. Just let go to installation part. Go to official website. Copy. It is an official website. Click on download button. It will get download into download folder. Go to download folder. You will see this downloaded file. Double click on that. Once you double click, you will see two options. If you are going with a default path with the location of installation, directly click on install now. If you want any customization, click on customize installation. For now, I am clicking on install now. Okay. Once installation completed, you will get success message. Till that, wait for the installation. It will take time for 1-2 minutes. Yeah. So once you get installed, you will see this message. Okay. Close this pop-up. Go to the folder structure where you installed users and my username. Go to app data, local, programs, Python. See, Python get installed. Copy this path for the environment setup. Okay. Go to command prompt. Sorry. Go to environment variable. Click on environment variable. Go select the path. Click on edit. Set the path for the Python. Okay, it's done. Go to the same folder. You will see this script folder also. Copy that path. So these scripts needs to pip library. I will tell you the pip library, why it is important. Go to the same environment variable. Click on new. Set that path. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now go to the command prompt. Check the Python is installed or not. Python hyphen version. See, it get installed. That's it, guys. It's a very simple step to install Python. Thank you for watching.